All right, welcome back to the channel, guys, and thanks for joining in. So I got a really exciting matchup for you guys coming up, and I am here with a 2021 Ford Shelby GT500. This one's got a couple goodies. It's got a cat delete, upgraded intake, and an upper pulley running on E85. Now, he has not been on the dyno, so he's been getting some email. He got some email tunes, and we're estimating him to be somewhere around mid 800s to the wheels. He's a full weight car, and he's running on Nitto NT555 R2 tires. You know, they weigh somewhere around like 4,200 pounds, and he's gonna be running up against the 2022 BMW M3 Competition. This is the same M3 Competition that ran up against the Dodge Demon 170. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3! Just a little recap. He's got to upgrade downpipes, mid-pipe, and intakes on a custom E85 tune with port injection, and estimated to be somewhere around mid to upper 700s to the wheels. It's got a little bit of weight reduction with the carbon fiber hood and no rear seats and carbon fiber bucket front seats. So it's probably gonna be somewhere around like 3,900 pounds, give or take. So it should be a really good matchup, but as usual, there's only one way to find out. So both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys. So I'm back here in the GT500. And we're gonna do a 60 roll with the G80. Alright, guys, round 2. We're going to do that 60 roll one more time. Obviously, the BMW jumped, so this one is going to be the clean one. Out strong, especially with that brake boosting. Woo! Guys, so we are finished here. It was a really good race. Obviously, the BMW gets out harder, but it seemed like the GT500 was sticking with him to the end. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more. Later.